My husband and I decided to build a vocal booth on a budget, and I thought I'd share in case someone is looking for a non-PVC option that's also portable. We found these wooden screen doors for a steal at Home Depot. I'll list everything in the description. We got one 36-inch and two 32-inch doors. We also got some non-mortise hinges, which means you don't have to carve into the door. And these were just a few dollars a piece and super easy to attach. We started this project by first making sure the doors lined up. Then we measured to space the hinges as evenly as possible. I pre-drilled all the holes because the doors are pine wood, then attached one side of the hinge to the middle door, which is the 36-inch, before standing it up to attach the next side. At this point, we realized this hinge would not work the way we wanted as far as the booth being collapsible, so we ordered a different kind of hinge. But while we waited, we went ahead and added the soundproofing. We used these foam boards we had from a past studio project, but you can find these at Home Depot and other options as well. I cut the foam to fit snugly and to avoid using any other fasteners. Then we added moving blankets for added soundproofing on the inside of the doors using staples. You'll see at the end that this one blanket covers these first two doors. Hubby wanted one side to have a window, so we got one of these smaller acrylic sheets at Home Depot. I also pre-drilled the holes for this and attached with wood screws. We did end up adding foam above and below this window, but I did not show that. These are the other hinges we got. I found these on Amazon and they are called lift-off hinges. So one side has a pin and we attach that to that middle door and the other half to the last door so we could easily take it off and put it on. So here is how that last door looks after we added the moving blanket and some other foam panels that we attached using hot glue. And here are those first two doors. We did not staple the center where the doors meet so that they could easily fold down. And here is the complete vocal booth assembly. It is completely collapsible, so portable, and it's easy to set up and put away whenever needed. So if you have any questions about the sound quality, go ahead and leave them in the comments. I'll have my husband answer any questions there, and let me know if you have any questions about the build itself. Also, share with anyone who you think might benefit from this. As always, thanks for watching.